How to build and grow a garden in 20 seconds. So first, go to the do whatever is the swarm event, then and go on top of the uh, queen bee and jump 3 times. Jump 3 times. One, two, three. Okay. Then next, go to this whatever this thing and do the same with the bear. One, two, three. Okay, I'm done. Then, what is it next? Oh yeah, go to the egg, I think. Egg thingy. The egg thingy. And then, go to the egg thingy. And then, whatever is, see my money down there? It's, um, it's a little bit, seven. It's a little bit. My yeah. Then talk to this guy and say never mind 3 times. Say never mind 3 times. Say never mind 3. And two and three. The next, no. Let's go here and then show me is the green top. Then scroll down. Then go up again and scroll down. Okay, that's all. And then there, and then wait 1 hour. Wait 1 hour and then you'll wait 1 hour and then you'll get the fruits. Wait for part 2. Wait for part 2.